So my Venus flytrap has finally started to produce a flower. And at first I thought it just wouldn't produce a flower because the previous growing season just wasn't healthy enough. But I guess my USDA is just like a month or two behind from where I watched most of the videos for this. So I didn't really have much to base off of the proper timing for it to flower. But it's like mid-May, so it's flowering now. At first I thought about keeping it because, why not let it flower? But it will take a lot of energy from the plant, so I'm gonna neuter it. Sorry, my phone died, but I'm gonna neuter it by just removing the flower because it, like I said, it's gonna take a lot of energy from the plant. It also seems like a lot of these traps are deformed because they kept on warming up and then getting cold, and then maybe it's just pests because maybe they're spider mites. There's this beetle thing I also saw, but the plant also does seem to be a little bit stressed. This looked like it tried to produce a flower stalk, but it turned into a trap. So I'm going to remove the flower. Other than that, this one's looking pretty nice. I fed this one an isopod because it kept on. I'm sorry, there's also another cut because my phone ran out of storage. It's nice. But I don't know if I was saying this, but right. Traps are deformed. This one's coming in nice though because it's finally gotten warm. I think this one may have done this maybe because of temperature, right? It was getting warm and cold, so it tried to make a flower stalk, but whatever. This one I just pulled off. It's still alive. It's not gonna make any roots, but whatever. Whatever. I think it's starting to get better. That's nice, but onto my other plants. I currently have them acclimating under a tree, so that's less sun, but they're gonna stay outdoors for the rest of the season. I'm not bringing them indoors again because it's gonna stay warm enough. I found a aphid earlier today. It must have come from this plant, but it was crawling here. I got rid of it. It's doing well though. Flytrap is still pushing new growth. It doesn't seem to be burnt. The Sarracenia, this burn, dead part has been here from when it was inside, but it's also still suffering from the aphids, but it's making new traps, a lot of new traps. I have to do the repot soon, but I just don't have the soil yet. But that's it for the plants. See you later.